Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a field maple tree. I took a picture of this beautiful tree while taking my son to the park. You can spot him scooting in the reference picture. I decided to include him in the painting to give you a sense of scale. Firstly, I will tell you about the materials I've used. I used Winsor Newton Cotman Watercolor, synthetic round brushes from Bohemia and Winsor Newton, and A4 size Canson XL cotton paper 300 GSM. The link for all the materials I've used can be found in the description below. So let's get started. This is my reference picture, which I clicked myself. Beginning with laying a wash of clean water to work on the sky. I'm using cerulean blue here, a very diluted wash. I'm now working on the tree, painting in the lightest areas on the tree using lemon yellow. So these are the three main colors I'd be using. Now I'm using some sap green. So I'm simply dabbing in some paint using size 8 brush. So I'm using a mix of gold ochre and Payne's grey. To paint the road adjacent to the pavement where the tree is. I'm painting this tree right behind the field maple tree using a diluted mix of Hooker's green and ultramarine blue. Now I'm painting the trunk of the tree using some burnt umber and gold ochre. I've dropped in some dark color while the paint is still wet. So I decided to paint this tree right behind this field maple tree because it gives a bit of contrast and makes the field maple tree stand out. I'm painting the bushes in the background. Okay, now I'm going to use the wet and dry technique just to dab in some leaves here and there using my size 6 brush. I'm using Hooker's green for this exercise. I'm now using an acrylic brush with harder bristles, and I'm just dabbing in some paint here and there. I'm now using cadmium yellow color and using my flat acrylic brush to drop in some more leafy effect. So I'm going to continue building the layers, just going back to my reference picture and noticing where do I need to paint the lighter areas and where do I need the darker areas. I'm using sepia color mixed with a bit of green now to paint in the darker areas. Coming back to the branch and the trunk, I'm using sepia color. This is my favorite color to paint in the trees. I'm painting wet on dry, but I'm going to use my clean watered brush to spread the paint thereafter to get a smooth edge. I'm using Payne's Gray to paint the road and giving strokes in the direction as if to give a curvy effect. I'm mixing some black and Hooker's green. And using this paint to define the leaves a bit more. I'm using a rigger brush to define the bushes in the right in front of the tree and adding in some darks in the background bushes as well. I'm adding some final touches to my tree using a mix of purple and burnt umber. I'll be painting this little boy who's basically my son who's scooting. I intentionally included him in this painting, firstly to make him happy and also to give you a sense of scale of this tree. I'm now painting some thin branches towards the top using sepia color. I'm adding shadow of the tree. I'm using a very dilute consistency of Payne's gray color. My painting is now complete. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Bye!